In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Trello effectively. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily find the information you need within your Trello boards. First things first, head over to Trello.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll notice a Login button prominently displayed in the upper right corner of the page. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to sign in. You can log in using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack account, or you can simply use your email address if that's your preferred method. Now that you're logged into Trello, the real magic begins. At the top of the Trello screen, you'll see a search bar. This is your gateway to finding anything you need on Trello. This search bar is very versatile. Not only can you click on it, but if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, Trello has you covered. With a quick combo, you can pull up the search bar without lifting a finger off your keyboard. It's a time-saving trick once you get the hang of it. Once the search bar is at your fingertips, type in any keywords, phrases, or numbers that correspond to what you're searching for. Be as specific or as broad as you need. Trello will gather and display results based on your input, showing both relevant cards and boards in your workspace. It's really handy if you have a bustling Trello environment and need to pinpoint something quickly. But let's say you want to refine those search results even further. Trello offers advanced search operators to help tailor your search. For instance, if you're looking to find cards tied to a specific team member, just type @membername. This focuses the search to yield results where that member is involved. Similarly, if deadlines are your concern, Trello allows you to search within specific timeframes. Use due day, due week, or due month to find cards that match upcoming deadlines. Another powerful feature is searching within specific boards. Just type boarded, and your search will be confined to that board alone. Need to dive deeper? You can also search for specific labels, descriptions, checklists, or comments by using the appropriate search operators. This is great for when you need to find details tucked within the layers of your cards. Suppose you're just looking for a specific board and not the cards within. Simply type the board name straight into the search bar, and Trello will present you with a list of boards that match your query, making it easy to navigate directly where you need to go. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to search efficiently in Trello, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks as you manage your projects and tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Trello.